The crypto market is on a widespread upward trend. Cardano puts the moves on Ethereum. Sotheby is letting crypto get in on a huge rare diamond auction. The Metaverse is opening up to Walmart and the Australian Open. And the Space Misfits IDO is almost here on Enjinstarter. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind, this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. It's a nice sentiment to have some positive consistency finally show up in the crypto market. Bitcoin has been relatively flat at the $42,000 to $43,000 range, slowly inching a few percentage gains in the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Ethereum has also found a small but mighty upward trend, sitting at $3,200. And the altcoin contingent is much of the same, with majority of the top 20 tokens marching forward with gains. You know who just cracked the top 20 in market cap? Near Protocol, thanks to 38% gains in the last 7 days after setting a new all-time high over $20 last week. Another big mover is Cardano. It's climbed as much as 11 points in the last 24 hours. And what's more is Cardano has surpassed Ethereum in daily transaction volume. According to Messari statistics, Cardano has posted over $7 billion in 24-hour transactions as opposed to the $5.41 billion from Ethereum. Other than the fact that these project sizes are about apples to oranges, and if you adjusted the transaction volume, they would be very close, Cardano users only paid just over $66,000 in transaction fees. Ethereum users paid $44.74 million for Ether. So much for calling Cardano a ghost chain. Sotheby is getting back on the crypto gravy train, and this time they're opening the door to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDC stablecoin in the auction of an extremely rare black diamond called the Enigma, which weighs in at a whopping 555.55 carats and is believed to have been created from meteoric impact or from a diamond-bearing asteroid that collided with Earth. That's pretty cool. The auction house says that the decision to open this auction to crypto buyers was based on the successful sale of another massive 101-carat diamond called the Key for $12.3 million back in July. So there's no doubt that Sotheby's wants to appeal to the crypto community going forward. And if the Enigma does get purchased in crypto, Coinbase Commerce is the lucky platform that gets to handle the exchange. The Metaverse is on the table for a lot of big box brands. A new one that's in the conversation is Walmart. And it seems that the retail giant has filed patents to create its own cryptocurrency as well as its own NFT collection. 7 patent applications were filed on December 30th. And it's possible that Walmart could start selling virtual goods, groceries like in this video, and furnishings for virtual homes and the like. What do you think about this idea? Meanwhile, down under, the Australian Open will be the first tennis Grand Slam to be in the Metaverse. Tennis Australia has partnered with Decentraland to virtualize Melbourne Park. Check out this footage captured by Twitter user @Vardist. So users will get to walk around Rod Laver Arena, Grand Slam Park, and even get exclusive access to player arrivals and practice, along with footage from over 300 cameras around the park. The Grand Slam continues until January 30th. Now, big question is, will you be checking it out virtually? Let me know in the comments. A new NFT marketplace is making a splash to compete against OpenSea. LooksRare.org officially went live on January 10th and has hit the scene with an airdrop, Looks token staking with massive APRs, and trading reward calculations. So what sets LooksRare apart from OpenSea? LooksRare is a community-run marketplace, and you can buy and sell NFTs with Ether, wrapped Ethereum, or a combination of both, while also making offers in WETH, even on entire collections, all while earning daily trading rewards by earning a share of the platform's trading fees if you stake Looks tokens. And those trading fees are a much more manageable 2%, and all of those fees go back to users. Interesting concept. So go ahead and check out looksrare.org to see if this is up your alley. And lastly, one of Enjinstarter's top gaming projects is nearly here, and its IDO is dropping this week. Space Misfits is a 3D play-to-earn space shooter game, and it's a big week for the project. The SMCW token launch is happening on January 20th, and the big IDO drop is happening on the 19th, with Enjinstarter looking to raise at least 200,000 BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain. Mark your calendars because these are events that you do not want to miss for this big ticket gaming project. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So what are your thoughts on Cardano making huge moves on Ethereum? And how do you feel about a new NFT market like LooksRare and its different incentives? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified on our latest videos. And why not share our content with your friends? You can show them what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here are some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.